welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and today we're gonna do a DIY Dollar Tree centerpiece. It's for my coffee table, and I'm making a fairy garden for indoors with no dirt. So I'm taking the fairy garden stuff that I bought, sorry for the angle, although it is kind of fun, and I have some crazy hair today. I'm taking the fairy garden stuff that I bought, and I'm gonna set it up as a display or a little vignette or a little spring scene on my coffee table. So I wanted to bring you along. And here is Mr. Man. He hears me talking to myself, and he has decided that he needs to come. This is Alex. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. Yeah, he likes it when I talk to myself, apparently. All right, I'll reframe us, and we'll get set up. Bye. What are we doing? What are we doing, buddy? Yeah. So this is my coffee table in all of its glory. My great-great-grandfather, I suppose, or maybe great-great-great, I'm not sure, built this coffee table. So it means a lot to me. Coffee on the coffee table. Just taking off the few things that are on it. These candles will get repurposed somewhere else. And they're electric candles, so we'll get those off. I may use this succulent in here, like in the corner or something. And my Buckeyes, because, well, we're in Ohio. It's all about the Buckeyes. So this tray came from the Target Dollar Spot, Bullseye's Playground, around Thanksgiving time. And the top was orange, but I painted it gold because I didn't want orange. All right. First thing is first, I bought this at the Target Dollar Spot or Bullseye's Playground. It's just a table runner in navy blue and white. I mean, I suppose I could have went with green, but let's do the navy blue. And this fits my coffee table perfectly. And the wrinkles will lay out. Just gonna hope the cats don't decide they're gonna help. So that's my base right here. And I centered it all nice and zhuzhy. I am using these moss sheets from the Dollar Tree that I picked up. I have 3 of them, and they actually fit perfectly in here. But we need to get them out. I'm gonna have to cut one though, and I know it's gonna make a mess, but such is life. We will be okay. Or maybe I could just overlay them. Let's try that and not have to deal with the mess. What do you think about that? Because honestly, it's already making a mess and I've just laid it out. Or I can just put 2 together and then I'm gonna center them. 'Cause I'm a centering kind of girl, you know. And then I have some green pebbles that are going to go around the outside. Perfect. I have some little rocks. And the houses that I'm just going to set up. And I'm going to do them like at an angle. And I have 3. Some will be facing this way. Some will be facing that way. One right in the center to hold those together. But these are where all my neighbors are going to be living. There, we'll do one out this way, one that way. All right, well, let's not get crazy there, Lori. Do one over here. There. So I have my 3 houses where they belong. Oh, I have some more of these rocks. I'm just gonna set them around. This is so basic, it's embarrassing. I have a couple little doody-daws to sit in here as well. The little rocker Actually, I'm going to put those in after I do the rocks. But I also have the little clothesline. I'm going to bring you in a little closer. Ha, that's better. So I have these little guys, clothesline, and a little rocker. And they can just go in between the two houses. Honestly, this is just set it how you want. We have little rocks, places. I have my 3 gnomes, but they're probably going to come out and sit on the table or on my mantle. So I don't think there's enough room in here. And if we're being truthful, it doesn't have the right proportion because I have these 3 little gnomes. Are they adorable? And they're going to kind of sit by their houses. Just like that. How easy. And I love this project because the mess is certainly kept at a minimum. Then these materials can go back up and get used for something else. Oh, I have to have my little Buckeyes out here. Sorry, but I live in Ohio. We do Buckeyes. All right, let's put the trash away. My 3 little gnomey guys will just hang out for a second till I find a home. Now I'm just going to fill around the edges with gravel. And I might have to pick up some more. Here we go. Now the mess in the background I haven't tidied up yet. This is the front view. My little friends hanging out in their little fairy garden. I love it. I hope you love it too. Have a good one. Bye.